This is not about raising money, but it's important to note something to you guys. These are the 4 key roles that I think are successful in multifamily, and I think they're also really successful anywhere in real estate. The 4 people that are active in multifamily real estate are the brain, the hunter, the hammer, and the money. There is a certain personality for each of these 4 things, and they are not the same person. You might be able to muddle your way through and run a portfolio of single-family homes and small multis all by yourself, right? But there's no way you're going to take down big multifamily assets all by yourself. You need different personality types, different skill sets, different people with different resources, and just different ways to do things, whether they're employees or partners, okay? So the hunter is the person that is there to find the opportunity. They research markets. We're going to go there, and here's why. Here's the demographics, here's the jobs, here's population growth, right? And the personality trait that I see for the hunter is the person that if you can like be told no like 15 times, if you can have a door slammed in your face a lot and you don't lose any energy on it, if you're willing to call up a broker once every other week and ask them if they have a deal for you and keep doing that consistently, you're a hunter. Once the hunter produces an opportunity in a market that makes sense, that's in line with the company's goals, that deal goes over to the brain. The brain is the person that loves Excel spreadsheets and likes to sit and just grind it out and take a deal. If the deal works and if the finances work, they'll come up with a business plan in a way that it's okay. Well, if we do this to the rents, if we do this to expenses, if we, repaint this and, get all the drug dealers out or whatever it is, whatever we're going to do, make the property work, this is the plan, right? This is someone who's analytical, who's a little more conservative, and who loves analysis and can live in an Excel spreadsheet for like 3.5 hours. Then, once you've got a deal, you got a business plan, you need money. And the money is 2 things. It's debt, the bank loan and negotiating that, and it's also the equity side, which is what I do for my company. The money is the person that is a good networker. The money is the person who's always excited, always think that they've got the best thing since sliced bread. They're really well connected. They're maybe pretty good with social media, and they know how to use social to get the word about what they do. Doesn't have to be. You can raise money without social media, just so you know. But that's the person that's there to attract equity, attract attention to the deal. So the hammer is the person that takes the deal, the business plan that's been created, the money that's been created to make the deal happen, and then they bring it to fruition. They're called the hammer because this is what they do. They are going to just browbeat the contractors, the property managers, the vendors, the whoever it is into submission until things are on timeline, on budget, and on timeline. So they're there to have the difficult conversations. Hey, you're late and you're over budget. What are we going to do? How are we going to fix this, right? They're willing to have that conversation because those conversations happen a lot in real estate. It takes all 4 of these to be successful in multifamily or in all kinds of real estate. What we're going to talk about today is raising a lot of money in a little bit of time. So how to raise $1 million or more in 90 days or less. And you can apply these principles to smaller deals, larger deals, whatever you want. The point of me showing you guys this slide is all this needs to exist before this does. You need to begin the conversations and begin your team building. And if you're going out and raising money, you're going out blind, you're not going to have a business plan, you're not going to have data that you need on why the market's amazing, and you're not going to have somebody that's going to implement, right? You're going to cross your fingers and hope the deal works with somebody else's money. That doesn't sound good, right?